Hi guys, this is SVI 10p plus, and let's open this. Oh yeah, before that, let's check out behind. It comes with Android 12, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz for Wi-Fi, 64-bit quad-core, supports compression of H.265. The chip is A35, 4 gig of RAM, 64 gig of ROM, and it's Bluetooth 5.0. And it comes with a user manual, both in Chinese and English. Check out what's behind here. It comes with this foam to protect the box, and here you can see, let me just let it out. This is the remote control, and in this box, obviously this is the charger and the cable. But let's take a look. This is the HDMI cable. The charger is using a USB-C. So this is how the remote control looks like. And check out the box itself. So it's pretty simple. It's SVI Xiaoyun or small cloud. So it comes with a LED in front. There's some holes for vents. There's vents to dissipate the heat out. And the other side as well. Then here it comes with a USB port. So another USB port here, USB-C for the power. Then this is a network port for you to put in your network cable for your connectivity, yeah. And this is the HDMI cable for you to connect to your TV. And this is an optical port for you to connect to your older home theater systems, yeah, your speakers. So the remote control is pretty simple to use. Over here, you can actually learn to use these 4 buttons, yeah, for your TV. So you can on off the TV here, adjust the volume here, and also change the input here, changing to HDMI 1, 2, 3 or more. But you have to learn this, yeah. And this is the button to on and off the TV box, okay. So other than that, you have info. You have mute, explorer for browsing internet, and there's a up, down, left, right, and OK button. This is a return button. This is home. This is menu. These 2 is volume buttons, and this is the button where you can talk to the box, okay, and ask it to search for certain contents. And this one will be numeric, the digital buttons for you to click depending on which channels you want. And this is the shortcut buttons for Google Play, apps, and YouTube. And this you can actually set yourself to open different apps, yeah. And of course, it uses AAA battery, 2 pieces of it. So right, this is how the box started. I just need to click on this green button here, then it will start. Alright, in the beginning, this is what you're going to see. There is information window here telling you what is that all about. Then you can actually preset your apps here. This one, YouTube, and whatnot, yeah. So basically, let's go through the whole screen here. On top here, you get to see there's a network test. Let's click on that and check out the network. You can see how fast is your network from here. Let's do a test. It's actually about 200, I think more than that. And my router is actually pretty near, yeah. It's about 6-7 feet away, not very far. And I get about 321 megabytes of download speed. So this is help. You get to see if you have any problems with the hardware, playback, internet, software glitches, you can always access the help from here. And this is auto start. When you start the box itself, you can actually select whichever app you want to start And this is quick launch. Right, this 4 buttons here. Yeah, so now this is set to 1, another one, and the other 2 is empty. All right, and this is to clean up, to clear all the memories so that your box will go faster. And this is Bluetooth. It's now connected to this. Yep. And this is the marketplace, and this is to show you you're connected to the Wi-Fi or connected to the internet and more. You can see this is actually the same thing, auto start. Yeah, you can select which one you want. Update, yeah, if you have a software update, yeah, you can just try and get it from here. This is the latest, so there isn't any. And there's some disclaimers as well. And display, you can change your display screen resolution. I always set it to auto so that it always go to the highest resolution. All right, and screen positioning, yeah, zoom in, zoom out, see that? So I always scale it to 100%. Okay. And HDMI CEC, this is for you to sync with your TV. If your TV have this feature, meaning that when you're on your TV, it will automatically on this device as well. And yeah, but I don't think I want to do that. Sometimes it's not so straightforward because I have multiple devices. Unless you only have one device, that is easy. And you can force the app to horizontal display, and you can also off the system sound if you don't like all the beeping sound whenever you click. So this is time. I set it to Hong Kong. And clean, I think just now I've shown you guys to clean the memories, and you can access to your files so that you can watch movies or listen to musics from whatever you have in your USB thumb drive or hard disk. And this is to change the language, yeah, and this is to restore, most likely to factory reset. And you can access to more system settings from here. You can change your device name, you can change your internet, your Google accounts, and much more. All right, so that is more towards Google settings. Yeah, so all right, let's go and check out how YouTube looks like. To change this to 4K, the quality to 160p, and let's play this. Wow, nice, nice. Yeah, I think I'm getting 4K. All right, so what if I try to scroll it faster? What would I see? Can I immediately see? Yeah, it's fast. Yep. Okay, so this is YouTube, no problem with it. These are all the categories. So over here, when you click on top, let's check out all these settings. You can access to your history, okay, whatever you have watched. And you can also access to your favorites, whatever you have put as favorites. You can also search for whatever you want over here by typing, or also you can talk to it, yeah, by clicking here. I'm going to show you guys in a short while. You can restart the app, you can clean the memories, you can change the settings, whether you want this to have Dolby Digital or not. Yeah, of course I want it to be on so that every time I get immersive sound from Dolby Digital. And search language, I set it as English as default. And all this, I think you can change your password, you can have different players, you can different updates as well. Yep. So let's go there again, and you can also check the network. All right, let's try out the search function. Yeah, click here, and let me just talk about Andy Lau. Yeah, so anything about Andy Lau that they have here will show, right? Nice. Watch this. I can select, I can actually put what is my favorite here. I click here, then this will be favorite, added to the favorites. If I click again, then it will be removed. Pretty simple. All right, so I can quickly fast forward. And yeah, immediately I get to see it again. All right, pretty simple, right? Then what I can do is I can go to menu, and over here I can change the episodes. I can change the subtitle if it's available. I can also change the audio. If there are more than 2 audios, like English, Chinese, I can actually change it. And click to menu again. I can also change the speed. Yeah, I can actually make it faster. I can change the scale and the ratio and different roads. And you can change the player, and you can also change to 3D. Open. Okay, can I see 3D? Yeah, there you go, guys. Then this is what you're gonna see if you choose 3D. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video and give me a thumbs up. All right, bye.